Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel and the big rant of what's happening in the past few days and the weekend is about questions and answer session about Windows 11 that was done, in which the simple question of moving the taskbar across the screen was talked about, to get a answer that this is not going to happen, and Microsoft has no plans in changing that behavior that you have to move the taskbar. Also mentioning that it was not a requested feature. And the engineer that talked about it says that it was such a big challenge to do so that it was almost impossible, which is completely idiot, basically, because, come on, Windows 10 does it. I think Windows 95 does it. It's been there forever, and I mean, you removed it in Windows 11, and now it's what you say that it's not possible. I mean, come on. This is completely dumb. I mean, it is a requested feature. It's one of the most requested features also, that you can move this taskbar anywhere on the screen. Yet they seem to answer back that it's such a small amount of people that want this that it's not something that they're working on. You know, I've talked about it in the past, and I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that there's a big disconnect between Microsoft and between the regular user. You look at that and you're like, yeah, okay, that is kind of weird. And you kind of see that, what people want and what Microsoft thinks people want is such a world apart, and you wonder why it's like that. It's as if, I don't know, these people are in their little bubble. And, I've said it many times, because when I did my tech guy duties, a lot of people asked me how come I was able to explain in a very simple way things that no other tech guys that they had before was able to do. And I was always telling them, well, it's not given to everyone to explain stuff in a way that people understand, and that most tech guys and people that are very, very tech savvy and that are even, like going into engineering and stuff like that, they're in their little world and they are incapable of explaining in standard words that people understand why things are the way they are. So, another disconnect. I mean, come on, Microsoft. It is that hard to move the taskbar around? Please. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.